Hi there, and welcome to another Assignr video series. This series is meant for administrators, financial contacts, and anyone else who may be involved in the process of setting up and initiating direct deposit in Assignr. In the coming videos, we'll walk through everything you need to get direct deposit up and running. Here's what we'll cover. First, how to enable two-step authentication. You'll be required to enable this further along in the setup process in order to help keep your account secure, so we recommend just getting it out of the way first thing. Second is how to create a payer, which is the organization or individual that will be funding payments to your officials. Third is how to grant users payer permissions. If the person who created the payer is also the person who will be setting up the details of that payer and enabling direct deposit, then this step can be skipped at least initially. Fourth is how to set up a payment account within your payer. This is where you'll provide identity and business information so that payments can be processed. This step can take several days, so we do recommend starting it well before you need to send your first payment. Fifth is how to add a bank account to your payer. This is the account that will actually fund your officials' payments, which you'll verify either instantly using your bank login or through a micro deposit process. And sixth is how to activate your direct deposit plan by purchasing a subscription. Before we dive in, a couple of quick notes. First, direct deposit is currently only available for customers located in the United States. So if you're outside the US and interested in this feature, definitely reach out to our support team and we'll keep you posted as we expand availability. Also, direct deposit is not available for purchase on the recreational plan. So if your site is on the recreational plan and you'd like to use direct deposit, you'll just need to upgrade to one of our other per official or per game plans first. Once you've created your payer, which is step 2, you'll notice a progress tracker inside Assignr that shows which steps you've completed and what's still left. Each completed step will show a green check mark next to it, so you always know exactly where you are in the process. Once all 6 steps are complete, you'll be ready to start paying your officials. Another thing worth noting, whoever enables direct deposit will by default be the only person with full control of that payer afterward. So if anyone else will need permissions down the line, whether that's to push payments through, view statements, or create statements, you'll want to go back to the payer permission step to grant or re-grant the appropriate people the appropriate level of access. At this point, your officials, if they haven't already, will just want to log into their own Assignr accounts and add their W-9 and bank account information, which is what allows payments to actually reach them. We actually have a separate support series for officials that walks them through exactly how to do this. You're also welcome to send them a message directly from within Assignr prompting them to get this done if you'd like to as well. We'll link to both how to send a message as well as that support series for officials in the video description. All right, let's get into it. The next video covers step 1, enabling two-step authentication.